come on, baby. I'm here. I'm here. You look for your sister, okay?
Oh,
Later, I'll show you your ate. Oh, you sit down. Oh, pretty. How are you?
I'm
Cute,
good.
baby. You're cute?
Yes.
Ah, cute. Magkamukha mo si Tita Emma. Oh, you look cute, Tita Emma. Your body's look Ate Antoinette. And then your hair. You're so nice. Like Tita Jelay. Tita pala. Ate Jelay. Okay? When Emma comes, you smile.
Okay, Mommy.
You know how to speak English, right? I show you.
That's
sir.
wrong.
Huh? You English. Apple.
Apple.
Tomato.
Tomato.
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
You like sausage.
Sausage.
Your papa. Who's your papa?
I don't know,
Huh?
Mommy.
You don't know your papa?
No.
Later. Ate Emma will come here, so I introduce you to Ate Emma. Okay.
Okay.
I teach you. I teach you English. Okay. I speak Tagalog, I teach you English, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
Magandang hapon in Tagalog. In English is good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Louder!
Good
With accent.
afternoon.
Good
Good
afternoon. Yan. Okay, pretty, maganda, and pretty.
Yes.
I said pretty.
I'm sorry.
Pretty.
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 That pretty.
Pretty.
You like this? Pretty.
Mami, so mainit.
It's okay. You're here in Philippines, okay?
Okay.
Later, I'll put an aircon here. Okay, you wait for your Ate Emma, okay?
Ano yan? Ba't may mga kalat-kalat dito, Mami?
Bakit?
Ba't may maleta dito? Sino yan kasama mo?
Kapatid mo! Ito yung nawawala sa Facebook. Nag-announce kasi siya. Yung tatay niya. So, namatay na yung tatay. Nung nakaraan pa to eh. Ngayon ko na siya nasundo sa airport. So, yung anak daw niya. Hindi ko alam kung anak ba namin yun. Hindi ko alam. Nasig ako eh.
Mami, hindi ko pa rin ba natatapos yung kwento natin dito? Hindi ka pa rin papagod at dito mag-aalaga ka pa rin. Sa bahay ko pa.
Eh, wala kasi mapagdalhan sa kanya. Hindi naman pwede doon sa bahay. Kasi nandun yung aking bagong daddy. So, ito yung bagong
Sigurado ka
kapatid.
bang kapatid natin
Kapatid mo
yan?
to. You say hi to ate.
Hi, ate.
You say pretty.
Wala pa ako sinasabi. Hindi ko pa tinatanggap yung pinag-DNA mo na ba yan?
Bahala na pati. Aliyan nyo na lang dyan. Basta kinuha ko yan sa airport. Ayaw mo maganda-ganda. You see?
Mami, may gano'n may hiwa yung uso.
Sige nga. Di naman eh. Wala. Wala. Ano yan? Foundation niya yan.
Yung niya, kailong ba natin siya?
Basta medyo matagos na siya ngayon. Tingnan mo matagos. Ano din yan? Kasi nasa Pilipinas, init. Gagano'n din yung ilong yan. Diba?
Hindi ako sure na ipa-DNA mo yan. Parang wrong turn eh.
Ha? Oh, hindi! Your sister, what's your name? Oh, you use your ate, your name. Name.
Name.
Your name!
Peach.
Bitch! Oh, you
Bitch! Ang bitchesa, Mami!
Oh,
Bitchesa!
bitch yan, oh.
Hindi ko kapatid
Sabi
yan.
nga, hindi ka bitch.
Hindi ko kapatid yan. Ibalik mo yan kung nasa
Bitch nga.
Tama na.
Mami, no.
Mami, no.
Di ko at mami yun, ate yun.
Ang happy na dito na.
You sleep, you take a rest.
Okay,
Bye,
Mami.
ate.
Hmm.